Okay, hey, this is for anyone who has like a specific game that isn't working, and like say for example Ultrakill. There's no sound. All you need to do is go to power, switch to desktop. Wait a minute. So what you need to do, you need to click on the game that is not working. And obviously I fixed it so it's working again. But what you need to do is you need to press Control Escape, and then you will see there's you see that little icon right there? That is the sound. So what you need to do is click on that and then done.